Now our next topic is a vector space. To define a vector space, suppose V a non-empty set over the field F. V is said to be a vector space over the field F if it satisfies the following condition. That is, suppose that the V is a non-empty set. Suppose and F is a field. In this case, the field may be a real number or the set of complex number, and suppose the set V the set V composed by the set of real number or complex number consists of all square 3 cross 3 square matrices. So in this case, all these elements of the set V is composed by the elements of the field. The field may be, in this case, is the set of real number or the set of complex number. Suppose this these elements, the elements of the set V is composed by the set of real number having elements A1 1 A1 2 A2 1 A2 2 A1 3 A2 3 and A31 A32 A33. So all of these elements, the elements of the set V in this case are all the 3 cross 3 matrices. Under the addition operator, that is the set V is closed under the binding operator addition. That is, for each two elements of the set V, U plus V, the sum of the any two elements of the set V belong to the set V. That is, addition is a binding operator on the set V. That is another property, that is commutative property with respect to addition. That is, for each two elements of the set V, U plus V is equal to V plus U. Associative property with respect to addition, that is, for any three elements of the set V, U plus V plus W is equal to U plus V plus W. Another condition, that is, there exists a vector 0 called the zero vector, such that for each U belong to the set V, U plus 0 is equal to U. The vector 0 is called the additive identity vector of the set V. And for each vector U of the set V, there exists the additive inverse of the vector U. That is, there exists for each element of the vector V, the inverse of each element of this vector is exists in V. That is, U plus minus U is equal to minus U plus U is equal to the additive identity element. Under the scalar multiplication, under the that is the operation of the elements of the field with the elements of the set V. That is, the elements of the elements of the set V, which are called the vectors. That is, for each element of the field and for each element of the vector space V, the scalar multiplication of the vector with the scalar A, the result is contained in the set V. The second condition, that is, A is a scalar and UV are any two vectors such that A multiplied by U plus V is equal to AU plus AV. For each any two scalar AB, and any vector u, a plus bu is equal to au plus bu. For any two scalar a, b and any vector u, a multiplied by b is equal to a multiplied by b multiplied by u. And there exists an element 1 in the there exists a scalar 1 such that for each element for each vector u, 1 multiplied by u is equal to u. 1 is called the multiplicative identity element in the field. Now the elements of the field are called scalars, and the elements of the set V composed by the field F are called vectors. If the field is the set of real number, then the vector space composed by the field F is a real vector space. Now, if the field is the set of complex number, then the vector space composed by the field F is called a complex vector space. Now, if the field is a rational number, is the set of rational number, then the vector space composed by the field F is called a rational vector space.